Unit 5, Lesson 3, Student Example number 2. Determine the surface area of the following figure. To determine surface area, or what I'm going to abbreviate as SA, we just add up each of the individual side areas. In this particular figure, we have a triangle on the top and a triangle on the bottom. So I'm going to say 2 times triangle would account for 2 of those sides, plus we have a front, which is just a rectangle, so we'll say plus the front, plus we have a back, which is a rectangle as well, so plus the back. All right, and then we have this side right here, so plus the side. Okay, I'm going to call that my shape sentence because it's just a sentence in the form of an equation that includes all of the shapes I need to add up. A little bit further down, I'm going to find the area of each of those individual shapes. Then I'm going to plug it back into this original formula and we'll add up from there. So first I'm going to deal with my triangle. Okay, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. 1/2. The base of that triangle is 30. The height of that triangle is 40. One half times 30 times 40 is 600. We aren't given units, so we'll just write the word units squared. Next I have my front. Okay, the front is just simply a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is length times width. Now here's a little bit of a trick with this one. My width is fine. All right, my width is 45. However, this length is actually an angular piece that is the hypotenuse, because it's opposite to the right angle, of that triangle. So I'm going to call this length right here C. All right, so using Pythagorean theorem, I could say that the length would be equal to C squared plus A squared plus B squared, right, times my width, which I knew was 45. Okay, so we have a little bit of work to do here. C, which is what I'm looking for, is equal to, I'm going to say that this 30 is my A side and this 40 is my B side. 30 squared plus 40 squared times 45 eventually. If I work out for C squared here, I will get a value of 50 times 45. Okay, 50 times 45 is equal to 2,250 units squared. So that's my front. Let's do the back next. My back is just a rectangle, so length times width. The length is right here, it's 40. The width is right here, which is 45. 40 times 45 is 1,800 units squared. All I have left now is that one side, this side right here. The length of that side is 30. Remember, it's just length times width again. So the length is 30. The width, 45. 30 times 45 is 1,300 350 units squared. Now that I know the area of my individual sides, I can plug them back into that original equation. Surface area equals 2 times the area of a triangle, 600 units squared. The front was 2,250 units squared. The back was 1,800 units squared. And the side was 1,350 units squared. If I add all of that together, I will come up with 6,600 units squared as my total surface area.